Just have the basic faucet that has like this little oh. Filming a video, call you later, bye, I love you.
No, I got one question.
What? So it gives you the, oh no. Oh, my heart palpitations. I just got hot. What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for woo! And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay guys, so I am back with another haul. That's just what I do. I shop. I can't help it. Like, it just is what it is. But I am bringing you one of my favorites today. Everything in this haul is going to be marble. Yes, one of my favorite things ever. If you've been here for a while, you guys know this, but I have recently found some really good finds and I wanted to share them. So let's jump right on in. So first up, brace yourselves because I just can't. So I was going to do in my trailer, in my other bedroom, I was gonna do a plinth viola marble table in there, but you guys know, well, in case you didn't know, a lot of the ones that are actually made are very narrow, and I wanted something big. I wanted something substantial.
Something big. I wanted something substantial.
This one?
No, the big one. I like them big.
I wanted something that I could grow with, I could take to my next space, right? And I want it to be a little bit different. I didn't want it to be what everybody else has. But in order for that to happen, it was gonna have to be very custom and very expensive. And Andrea was very much not here for that right now because I'm in an apartment. It's actually not even gonna fit in that space very well. So I'm just gonna hold off on that. And what I decided to do was to go with a similar vibe that I have in my living room, which is I have these little rose marble. My voice is going out. I'm sorry you guys, my voice is not back just yet, but I'm working on it. What's I saying? Oh yeah, so I have these viola marble bases in my living room that I was going to be using as coasters, but those are actually too big to be used as coasters because you can't really pick them up and move them around as easily, right? Because they're a pretty big size. So I found these actual coasters on Etsy, and I will link his shop down below. There are other shops also that make these, but I'll link his because that's what I dealt with, and I had a very, very pleasant experience with him. It actually came, the pieces actually came like a week before they were supposed to. I was very pleasantly surprised, and when I got them in the mail, y'all, don't talk to me.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
I feel so brand new with these coasters. Like, they're everything I want my table to be when I get it, but in miniature, if I can say it right, miniature size. So I got 4 of them, and I think they're around like $100 for the set, which isn't bad. I mean, it's rose marble. I mean, you're gonna pay for it. Like, you're paying for the quality, but they all have great veining. They're all so unique. They're all so great. They are so small where I can move them to room. I can move them from room to room. And like I said, I'm gonna put these on my coffee table when I get it. Get my room situation. When I get my room situated in there, I'm gonna have my coasters kind of set up the same way I have my little bases set up in my living room over there. So it gives you the, oh no. Y'all, I thought I just broke this coaster. I'm gonna put these down. I'm talking about them with just one in my hand because no, that's $25. No. Oh, my heart palpitations. I just got hot. That was close. Let me get on to the next item because these are too precious to break. But they're durable, as you can see. And that's on my lip. Lips chapped. But like I said, they're very durable, very good quality, and I cannot say enough good things about these coasters. I will have them forever. I will have them forever and ever, and always cherish them. And yeah, those are those. Let me put these down before I have another accident. Okay, so next up is gonna be another rose marble, viola marble piece, and it's so extra. It's so unnecessary, but I do not need y'all's judgment. I work very hard and I treat myself from time to time. But I just had to mention it because I bought it, even though I don't even know if I'm gonna use it anymore. So it is this outlet cover. Now just bear with me for a moment. I know you're thinking, Andrea, why did you buy that? Why? Like, what's the point? So in my little office nook, I was thinking I could change the outlet covers to a rose marble to make it a little bit more appealing, because it has quite a few little outlets like on the wall that are going to be seen. But then I was looking at the pieces, excuse me, oh my gosh. But then I was looking at the actual outlets that were on the wall. So they have a regular one, they have a light switch, and then they have one for like a phone, like, you know, like the little phone jacks. I guess it's for like a router, but my router is actually in the other room in a whole nother hub. So I don't even know why they have that there. I don't know anybody that has a home phone nowadays. Well, people with kids, but that's besides the point. I didn't feel like I wanted to get another one that was for a phone jack because in my next home I might not have that. It might be a waste of money. So the jury's still out if I want to use this in that space. I might find another space for this, but I just thought I'd mention her because I had already bought it and I'm not returning it because I'm obsessed and I'm a psycho. So yeah, that's that. Next up, we have a marble trash can that I'm not going to be using as a trash can. So just peep this, okay? So I was walking in Homegoods in the bathroom section and saw this, and when I didn't have a cart, so I do this thing where I trick myself and I'm like, I'm not gonna get a cart because if I get a cart, I'm gonna get a lot of things, right? So whatever I can't fit into my hands, I'm not gonna get. One time out of 10, that works, but this wasn't that one time. I jetted to the front of the store, jetted to the front of the store to get a buggy so I can put these trash cans in my buggy before somebody else saw them, because I didn't even know if they belonged there because I had never seen anything like this in HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, anywhere like that, right? Especially with this veining. So it's quite heavy, and oh my gosh, I hope this sticker doesn't stick like the rest of the crap does there. Oh, okay, it comes right off. Cool. So I'm gonna take that off so you guys can see a little bit better. These were $29.99 a piece, but like I said, they're too cute to put nasty stuff like pads and snot rags and all that stuff in. Yeah. So I just thought it was too cute to put nasty stuff in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip it over, right? I'm gonna take these little felt pads off and I'm gonna use it as a pedestal of some sort. So I might put like a sculpture on top, like on my countertop somewhere, or something. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm gonna do something with it. I can even flip it over this way and find like a little mini lamp to stick in there, and the shade will kind of cover the little gap and make it into a lamp. This is gonna be used for something though, and I just love the warm and cool tones in it because it has browns and grays in it and creams, and I'm so excited, I'm out of breath. But like I said, $29.99. I will leave the style number down in the notes for you guys so you can check it out and see if they have it at your location. Okay? I'm sweating. It's hot. Okay, and like I said, I'm a bit of a psycho, so I saw a black one and I got the black one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it or not, but I did think this would be perfect if I've ever had like a really dark space, like a black corner that needed like something that comes out of the wall. I don't know how to put into words what I'm thinking, but I'm thinking like maybe in a foyer somewhere where it's like painted black and it has like a little nook, and this is still dark, but it has this pattern in it that kind of draws your eye to it. So same concept, $29.99 again. I just thought it was cute and it was marble, so I bought it. Like I said, I'm a psycho, but it has these little warm caramel tones in it, and yeah, I couldn't keep it there. I just thought I'd live with it for a little bit to see if I want it or not. And if I don't want it, it'll make a great gift. So there's that. Okay, so next up I got another marble bowl, but this is unlike any other bowl, which that's not saying much because no marble is the same. But the swirl got me. So if you can see, and I just had to have it. I thought it was so pretty and so unique. These bowls are only $24.99 at Marshall's, or not Marshall's, at Homegoods, and it has some veining on the outside as well. So you get it on the outside and on the inside. So if you wanna, these are good for like tables and stuff. So if you sit on a table, you can still see the veining. And of course they're good on like bookcases and shelves and things. So if you sit on a shelf, you still get that veining, right? So it's good on both sides. And like I said, I can't resist marble, so I got it. Like I said, these are really good for table styling. If you're a minimalist and you don't like a lot going on, but you still want something interesting, these are very good to just sit down on the table or on the countertop, and you're just good to go. So I got him, like I said, $24.99. Yeah, snagged them up. Last but not least, I got these little marble trays. So they're miniature and so cute and very unique shape. So I got, I think I got 4 of these because I'm actually gonna be using them for like food and stuff too, like when I have like appetizers, if I'm entertaining. And I just felt like these would be good to put like dipping sauces on top of course in like little cups and stuff. But I love the little, the angle of this. I actually have one of these already by my kitchen sink. I replaced the one that I had up there. And I feel like this is what's the word I'm looking for? These are different from any other tray or pedestal that I've seen on anybody else's sink. They have little marble feet too, which is really good. They're flat, so they're very sturdy. And I don't know about you guys, but in my apartment, I just have the basic faucet that has like this little, Filming a video, call you later, bye, I love you.
No, I got one question.
What? I mean, I don't feel like she did a lot to her face. I just feel like she did something and then the rest of it was makeup.
Yeah.
And Photoshop, so.
Yeah.
All right, get off the line, bye.
Oh, bye.
What was I saying? Oh yeah, so my faucet isn't the cool, like, minimal, just comes right out of the countertop. It has like this little long little piece that it sits on, so it kind of takes up space, but this little angle part makes it where I can put the tray next to the faucet without it interfering with it, so it doesn't take up, so this doesn't take too much space. I just thought these were so adorable. Literally $7.99. $7.99. I bought every one I saw because even if I don't use them all, this is great for a gift. If you want to get like some soap, hand lotion, and a candle, and then wrap it up in some plastic. Wrap it up in some plastic, like kind of like the Easter baskets. And ooh, that rhyme. I'm on a roll.
Bars.
I'm trying to beat the sun from setting too. That's why I'm talking so fast. So yeah, like I said, this one was $7.99 and I got 4 of them. Makes a great gift if you don't use them all, and great for food too. I just need to figure out how to seal these so they don't get stained if I want to put like sushi or like anything greasy on it. You know what I'm saying? So of course all of them have different veining because they're all different, and I actually got one mid-size one too because I like the gray in it. And this will be good to put like candles and stuff on in my bathroom. And it's just it's a warm welcome. Something different from just your normal rectangular clean lines. This is just, I just think these are so cute. These are so cute. I love the little feet. This one, $7.99 too. It's a little bit bigger. They're just so cute to me. And like I said, I grabbed all the ones I saw. So yeah. Okay guys, it is getting dark outside, so I'm gonna wrap this up here. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. I hope you're able to get your hands on some of these pieces. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then,